Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best VS1000 LED Grow Light available on the market, the VIVOSUN VS1000 LED Grow Light. If you're serious about indoor gardening or hydroponics, this grow light is designed to give your plants the optimal environment to thrive, from seedlings to full bloom. The VIVOSUN VS1000 stands out primarily for its high efficiency and advanced technology. It operates at only 100 watts while delivering powerful light output, making it energy efficient compared to traditional HID lights and many other LED grow lights. This light is capable of effectively covering a growing area of up to 3 by 3 feet, with a maximum reach of 4 by 4 feet, which makes it ideal for small to medium indoor grow tents. What makes this grow light truly special is its use of premium full-spectrum diodes, which means it emits a light spectrum that closely mimics natural sunlight. This includes wavelengths from 380 nanometers to 780 nanometers, covering everything plants need at different growth stages. The inclusion of specific red light at 660 nanometers helps boost flowering and fruiting, while the warm and cool white lights at 3000 K and 5000 K respectively support seedling growth and vigorous vegetative development. This full-spectrum capability ensures that plants receive the light intensity and quality they need for maximum photosynthesis and healthy growth. The VIVOSUN VS1000 is also equipped with a high-quality VIVOSUN driver that ensures stable and efficient power delivery, prolonging the lifespan of the LEDs. The dimmable ballast is another standout feature, allowing growers to adjust the light intensity in 4 levels. This flexibility means you can customize the light output depending on the plant growth phase, whether it's sprouting, vegetative, or flowering. Additionally, it features a daisy chain function, which lets you connect multiple lights using just one power outlet, keeping your grow space neat and avoiding clutter from multiple plugs. One of the challenges with grow lights is heat management, but the VS1000 addresses this with an efficient heat sink and well-placed ventilation holes. This design minimizes heat output, reducing the risk of burning your plants and maintaining a cooler growing environment. Plus, this grow light operates silently because it has no built-in fan, making it perfect for home growers who want a quiet and uninterrupted growing space. Durability and safety are also key considerations. The VIVOSUN VS1000 has an IP65 waterproof rating, making it resistant to water and dust, ideal for various indoor growing setups. It also comes with patented rope hangers for easy installation in tents or other indoor grow areas. With a polished aluminum finish, it's both sturdy and modern looking. In terms of size, the light measures approximately 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches with a slim profile of 2.2 inches in height and weighs just over 3 pounds, so it's easy to handle and install wherever you need it. This grow light is powered through a standard 120-volt outlet and includes features that make it adaptable for different planting needs. Whether you are cultivating seedlings, vegetables, herbs, or flowering plants, the VIVOSUN VS1000's full-spectrum lighting combined with adjustable brightness will help you achieve great results indoors. To sum up, the VIVOSUN VS1000 LED Grow Light offers a great balance of power, efficiency, and versatility. Its full-spectrum diodes deliver light that closely resembles natural sunlight. Its dimmable feature adapts to your plant's growth cycle, and its quiet, low-heat operation makes it ideal for indoor growers looking for reliable performance. With solid construction, easy installation, and a waterproof rating, it's built to last and handle the challenges of indoor gardening. If you want a grow light that truly supports your plants at every stage while keeping energy costs low and heat minimal, the VIVOSUN VS1000 is a top choice you can trust. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more detailed product insights. Until next time, happy growing!